Welcome to our future dirt bike track. We just bought this house and it comes with a walking trail, and it's got this weird soft sand almost like that. But we are going to start building jumps, and we're going to start from right there, come down and just start a jump track, a pump track. We're going to try to make it to where we can get some loop-de-loops stuff to go down that and come down here. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this build, and thanks for watching. Woo! All right. Day one of the pump track, dirt bike, whatever you want to call it, track is done. We made it to where we got a nice landing up here to start out at. That kind of swoops down, goes to there, goes to that first one, and the first double right there. And we're also thinking of coming down right here and making a berm to go around. And we want to make a bigger jump somewhere that we could do some stuff off of. But day one, we are tired already. There's a lot of dirt, but this dirt moves pretty well. So we're pretty excited about it. So what do you think, Liam? Good day? Yeah, good day.